Hi friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking frozen tater tots in my air fryer. So what I'm going to do is open the tater tots package and take out the air fryer basket, and I need to spray the bottom of the air fryer with a cooking spray. And now I will put tater tots straight from frozen package into the air fryer. And put the basket back in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees and set the time to 15 minutes. Now, halfway through the cooking process, let's take out the basket and shake the tater tots to mix them and put it back in the air fryer. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious, perfectly crispy and brown tater tots. So easy. For a printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time.